Welcome to Enrich English Learning Language. In this lesson, we learn part of speech in English language. Example and example sentences. Let's learn and practice to enhance your English skills. Here is your today lesson. Part of speech definition. A part of speech is a category of words with similar grammatical properties. These categories help to organize and understand how words function within sentences. The traditional parts of speech include 1. Noun. Definition. A word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Example, dog, city, love, book. Sentences. His book captivated readers with its intriguing storyline. 2. Verb. Definition. A word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example, run, think, is, go. Sentences. She goes to the gym every day. Adjective. Definition. A word that describes or modifies a noun, giving more information about it. Example, happy, blue, large, better. Sentences. The weather today is better than yesterday. Adverb. Definition. A word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, providing details like how, when, where, or to what degree. Example, quickly, often, very. Sentences. The car moved quickly down the highway. Pronoun. Definition. A word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Example, he, she, it. Sentences. She finished the project ahead of schedule. Preposition. Definition. A word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Example, under, on, between. Sentences. The cat is on the table. Conjunction. Definition. A word that connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Example, and, but, or. Sentences. I wanted to go to the party, but I was too tired. Interjection. Definition. A word or phrase expressing strong emotion and often stands alone in a sentence. Example, wow. Oh, alas. Sentences. Wow, that fireworks display was incredible. Article. Definition. A word that defines a noun as specific or unspecific. There are two types, definite, the, and indefinite, a or an. Example, a cat, the book, an apple, an invitation. Sentence. She received an invitation to the prestigious event. Let's make your own sentence to understand better. Noun sentence example. The cat purred contentedly in the warm sunlight. A fragrant flower bloomed in the garden. The ocean roared with powerful waves. Verb sentences examples. The birds sing melodies in the morning. The chef skillfully prepares a delicious meal. The athletes run swiftly on the track. Adjective example sentences. The sparkling stars lit up the night sky. Her smile was radiant, brightening the room. The forest was filled with lush and vibrant greenery. Adverb example sentences. She spoke softly to avoid waking the baby. The car moved quickly through the winding streets. He completed the task efficiently and with precision. Pronoun example sentences. Schitz arrived early for the meeting, prepared and focused. I gave Himach the keys to the car, trusting him with the responsibility. We will enjoy the sunset together, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Prepositions example sentences. The cat is on the roof, enjoying the sunshine. They walked through the forest, exploring its hidden wonders. The book is under the table, waiting to be discovered. Conjunction example sentences. She likes coffee, but he prefers tea. I wanted to go to the party, so I finished my work early. They studied hard, yet. They couldn't pass the exam. Interjection example sentences. Wow, that sunset is absolutely breathtaking. Oh, no. I forgot to bring my umbrella, and it's starting to rain. Yikes! That was a close Close call on the slippery road. Article example sentences. I found Ian Hutt interesting article about space exploration. She is reading a captivating novel by her favorite author. The new movie everyone is talking about is a thriller